Hey there, I'm Koontz Jr. and today we're going to take a look at how to identify the color of a picture on our screen with the Color Picker tool from Microsoft PowerToys. If you have not installed it already, check our link in the description to learn how to install PowerToys to access this fun tool and more. First, press and hold in this order, the Windows key, Shift, and C. You should see our little color picker show up underneath the mouse. From here, Color Picker will automatically identify whatever color your mouse is hovering over. When done, simply right-click and the tool closes. That's not all though. If we click and select a color, it will pull up a little palette menu. From here, we can copy the Hex Code, the RGB, or the HSL color format. The palette also stores up to 20 previously picked colors for you to swap between on the fly. As you can see, I can then copy any of these. You can also use this eyedropper tool here to go back to your screen to pick another color. Additionally, from this settings cog, you can change some of the inner workings of the shortcut, including the command keys, activation behavior, and color formats and more.